Hello, my name is Gage. Today I will be showing you a basic C# program in Visual Studio on how to write a language translator. So first, to get started, you're going to want to set your things like your buttons, your labels, and any variables you'll need. I already have Visual Studio open, but you're going to launch this and you're going to want to create a new file. I'll give you an example of how that's done. Now launch your Visual Studio. Click. Click Create New Project. Choose your console Windows Form Network. Windows Format Network. That is the language we'll be using. These ones will not work with the type of coding we'll be doing. And then you can name it. Choose where you want to put the file and your version of the VMware framework. So now you can go to create. I already have one created, so I'm gonna So here we got our basic translator. So up top, this is a label. We got 3 buttons, our hello, goodbye, and okay button. And then another label for this is converted, and then our display. So to do this, you can go to your view, your toolbox, and you can search up here. Let's see, we can search for button, search labels, you can search for anything, list box, image box. So once you get all those put in, you can name them and you can add text to them. These will stay blank. This is our display. So I'll give you an example. Let's look at some of the code here. Let's get rid of that. So as you can see right here, it's not much code. We have our initialize form. The stuff that you will actually have to code yourself is this right here. So when each button's clicked, like right here we have our goodbye button, hello button, and looks like our OK button. So what you would do is in between these two brackets, you're going to want to do LBL dis for our display, that's what I named it, dot text equals de acuerdo. And then over here we have LBL display dot text equals hola for hello. And then for goodbye we have adios. This is just a basic training on it. Now this is helpful because let's say you are have a big company and you have many employees who don't all speak the same language. You can cheaply and ineffectively develop a software like this to accommodate for their needs and to help them learn and understand what is needing to be done better. This is a very cheap, easy thing to develop, and it can also be used for other things, like just for practice, or maybe you want to, you can even get more advanced. And let's say you wanted to be able to enter text here and it to convert that text to Spanish. Well, instead of doing it like this, you can have just one button for convert, and then an input box, and then a display box. So you would set up something like an array where it would read the text box which you put in, and then below that you would have another array that if blah 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 is put in text box, then display this, or you could have then after that else, if this is in box, display this, or else if this was put in that box, display this. Now doing that would take, and I just wanted to show you guys some basics to just first get your hands in on some C# coding. It's easier to start small and work your way to the bigger projects. Try to get the fundamentals down and develop a couple practice softwares, and next thing you know, you'll be able to develop any software or application that suits your needs. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial.